Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial on VerseVIEW. In this video we will go over the steps to add and edit chords on VerseVIEW PC application for Windows and Mac. So let us select a song and click on the chords button above the lyrics to open the chords view. This song does not have any chords yet. Click on New to open the chords edit window. Click on Lyrics 1 to load the lyrics in the primary language, or Lyrics 2 if you want to load the transliteration version of the song. You can add the author's name, the root key, major or minor, the complexity level. You can also add the time signature, the tempo, the rhythm patterns, and any notes that you may have for this chord. The Edit view has the Edit section and the Preview section. In the Edit section, click on the location where a chord needs to be added. In this example, click between the R and E of the first word Create. This opens the Simple Chords keyboard to build and add the chords. The top row will fill in as the chords are added to show the recently added chords for quick access. You can build slash chords, for example, C over A on the bass. The chords can be added for the whole song. Click on Save after all the chords are added to save to the database. We can see that the chords with the lyrics. The chords can be transposed. The guitar and the piano tabs show the graphics for the chords. These chords can be exported and imported from one computer to another and made available for the choir on the stage screen using remote VerseVIEW. This will be covered in another video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for using VerseVIEW. Please share this with others in the community. Thank you once again.